In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image on draw.io. If you're editing a diagram in draw.io and want to place an image into your canvas, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to import an image and make sure it's positioned correctly inside your diagram. To begin, make sure you're already in diagram edit mode so you can access the full top menu bar. From there, go to the File menu at the top of the screen and click it. When the drop-down opens, move your cursor over Import From. This will reveal several different places you can import an image from. You'll notice that Draw.io gives you multiple source options depending on where your file is stored. For example, you can import from Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, your browser, your device, or even from a URL. This is helpful because it gives you flexibility whether your image is saved locally on your computer or stored in the cloud. For this example, choose Device. Once you click that option, your computer's file browser will open automatically. Now navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Take a moment to locate the correct file, then select the image you want to use. After that, either press Enter on your keyboard or click Open in the file browser window. As soon as you do that, the image will be inserted into your draw.io diagram. At this point, you can click and drag the image to move it wherever you want on the canvas. This is useful for placing logos, screenshots, reference images, or other visual elements exactly where they belong in your layout. If the image comes in too large or too small, don't worry. Just click on it to make sure it's selected and then use the resize handles around the edges or corners to adjust its size. Resizing from the corners is usually the easiest way to keep the image looking proportional while fitting it neatly into your diagram. A good tip here is to place the image only after you've thought about where it should sit in relation to the rest of your shapes and connectors. That way your diagram stays organized and easy to read. And that's it. That's how to add an image on Draw.io. Once you know the file menu path, importing images becomes quick and easy anytime you need to enhance your diagram with visuals.